let me tell you. Wow. 3, 2, 1.
Hey class, it's your boy Fernando here, and I'm doing the volcano project for you guys. And what you need is a syringe, tubing, a measuring spoon, and packet 8, 16, but I'm using the red sand color. I'm gonna ask my brother to come over here and put the volcano model together. Okay, here you go on this. And so I'm gonna have to cut packet 8 open. And I'm gonna need, it's dirty over here. Getting dirty over here. Okay, so you're gonna use your measuring spoon and 5 scoops of packet 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more. 4 and 5. Okay, to get the sand color that you want, and open it and get like 2 scoops of it. And okay, let me do that for you. Okay, my brother finished. You show them.
Look, guys. This was a model for the volcano. Yeah.
Nothing.
That's weird.
Okay. Now, you're gonna get the syringe of water. 2, 3. Okay, let me just.
Can I put it inside? Can I mix it?
Now I'm gonna mix it.
Can I mix it?
It's really nice.
Please.
You're gonna make sure it's as smooth as a smoothie. That's what I'm doing. Hopefully.
Can I have for something else?
Look, I'm gonna put this away. Can you give me this piece really quick? So, if the hole isn't big enough for one of these tubes, ask your parent or guardian to make the hole a little bigger with a knife or scissors.
Give me
one of those.
I need this.
Okay. Now, I think it's made like a smoothie. It's like a liquid. You can kind of see the red in it, but it's mostly blue. Our volcano is now assembled, and now we just need to put the liquid and the volcano to erupt it. It either gets down on the sides or it goes straight up. Let's see what it does. Okay, I think I might need my brother's assistance here. Andres, I'm gonna need you to hold it at this degree angle, okay?
Okay, this one? Like
Yeah,
this?
okay. Now I'm gonna get the syringe, like a little more tilted. Okay.
Can I put it in?
Just hold it up like that.
I know how.
So, okay.
Let me put it in.
That's cool. Did it go flying? Oh my gosh, that was cool.
Whoa, whoa. Can I do it again?
Yeah, okay, wait.
Let me do it. You do it and then I do it again. But I make it explode, okay?
Okay, Andres, I'm gonna need you to hold it at this degree angle again. And I'll pull it. Hold it.
Okay. Now can I put in?
I'll show you. Wait. Just put it underneath it. Put it in here.
I'm missing it. Let me try.
And that's your turn. Where did it go?
It went right here. It went flying.
It went flying like a
There's still more.
Yeah.
So, guys, there's still more, but
Push it. Oh my
that's
god.
pretty cool, guys.
So is that the way the lava is supposed to come out of the volcano?
Either it's supposed to explode. It goes up again, or it splits up, goes like like any village that's right next to a volcano. So it went on the side like I told you, and it went a little up. So
It's like it's doing right now?
yeah. Supposedly it's liquid, or as you know, it all is.
Wait. Let me do something.
Okay, I'm gonna just get some air and push. Okay, let me just set this back up. You need a lot of air. Push it out. I think it's just dirty. Let me just hold it.
Tell me when to stop. Right? Wait, that's...
Hold it. That's stupid. Wait.
That's hard. That's weird. Wait. It's a little too dry.
It's getting dried out. So now,
You have to scoop it down.
do I think I should add a little more water? Or should I,
And if you touch
should
it,
I put
doesn't do that
it,
much
get more water? Put
If-
more
if
water?
It's dry,
So
look
it's
what
more liquid?
happens.
Okay, I'm gonna get can I get it? And there's,
Wait,
Yeah.
let me clean it.
so now I'm just gonna get a little more water. Okay. Now,
No, let me mix.
mix it. That's weird. That's really weird. It's turning like into this hard stuff. But on the bottom you can see it's really red. Look at that.
Let me try. If it's very, very hard, like
Oh
slime,
my gosh.
like
It's kind of like slime, but like weirdish. It's turning into slime. A little. Like slime.
it's a little. You have to
Dry.
put a little more water.
So you need to let it dry, and then you can put a different color on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the project. I liked the project and how it went up, and it went on the sides of the volcano. Like you could kind of see it's going around it, but not really. It's like halfway through it. But if you leave it way too long, it kind of dries up like this. Like I can't really squish it up, and it's hard to. And then you get like this dark stuff on your
Like
finger,
this?
like this, like stuff on your fingers.
Probably like this.
Like
or-
look at my brother's hands.
I got a lot.
He's
of
like
this.
that's how much.
I need to help
That's what
stuff. And this is what
but
happened.
yeah, if you leave it way too long, it messes like gets it really dry, but it's still wet. Okay. So thank you for giving me time for my video, and I hope you guys liked it. Thank you. Bye.
You gonna say bye, Andres?
Bye as like a assistant and also like a scientist.
Bye.